Guys, kain na tayo guys.
Kain tayo. Ulam ng kapitbahay na ipon.
Ano namin, halo-halo
Ulam
guys.
ng kapitbahay.
Isa na kayo guys kasi nagkasayan sila doon sa baba.
Bakit ang ulam ni Ben?
Guys, kain na tayo guys, kain na.
Mal masarap po. Luto ko kanina yun.
Isa na kayo dahil
Normal tea daw.
huwag nyo akong paluin. Dahil
Normal tea. Normality. Normality? Normality sabaw. May ganyan na siya ma. Normality sabaw. Hindi sabaw. Ito ba yung masarap ito eh. Mas, di ba? Ito ba yung sibuyas? Sibuyas. Hi po guys, kain po tayo. Ito. Ito yung ano yung kain natin dito.
ang galing niya. Ay, kunin ko na yung ulam ng kapitbahay. Guys.
Yan eh. Sabay na. Yan eh. Ito ka na. Ito, adobo, nilaga, sinigang. Nilaga, sinigang. Nasa na ito? Ito, ito. Oo. Hirap mamili.
Guys. Kain.
Ang tubig mo sa ilalim mo. Buwa ka ng tubig.
Hold up. Let me tell you about second place.
Tapos guys.
Man that ain't yours. The toast that ain't for you. The door that opens labs. I slept there too long. I'm the one opening doors. Wanna up, don't walk. Means I don't knock. I kick you in. Watch me run up, don't walk. I don't care you want to do. For the lost friend, she's for you. Shake the dust, the whole crowd forget who they pop with the church. No more, I ain't standing in the body shot. Bring it up on the finish line. Always shot. She said how it feels flooding in. I said watch me listen.
Guys, parang may sound trip na rin.
First place never felt this good. And I ain't even done yet. Second place to keep the seal. I'm in the goal now.
Bye na.
Bye guys. Bye.
Yeah.
Guys, ang video ko rin ng waray. Pasensya na kayo sa sound trip ng kapitbahay namin. Hindi sa akin yan. Yan o. Guys, thank you for watching. Sa amin nakapos.